It's the best dressed public defender that you know, and I'm coming to you with this update regarding Rodney Hinton. Yesterday, he had a bond hearing. This is his attorney, Clyde Bennett, and what we learned yesterday during the bond hearing was at 9:30, the family and his attorneys all went down to the police department to watch body cam of the unaliving of Mr. Hinton's son. Around 10:30, the family decides to leave the police department. However, they expressed concerns regarding Mr. Hinton's mental state and his emotional state and his frustration. So instead of allowing Mr. Hinton to drive his vehicle by himself, he rode with other family members. At some point in time, about approximately 2 hours later, around 12:30, Mr. Hinton is brought back to the police department where he's able to get inside his vehicle and drive away. And that is when the unaliving of Larry Henderson occurred. Now, this is an argument that I was making regarding Mr. Hinton's mental state. Listen to what his attorney had to say.
I think he was not in his right mind, and I think he should be treated like any other mentally ill person that commits a crime under the auspices, control, and authority of a mental defect in a condition. That's what we have in this case.
Next would be that he poses a substantial risk of serious physical harm to any person or to the community.
Mr. Bennett, you want to address that?
I think in light of his mindset at the time this happened, I was physically present with the defendant over the weekend. I think he has mental issues. I think it's a long way of answering the question. I think the conduct in question is classic mental illness, criminal conduct. It's always intentional, it's bold, it's conspicuous.
I don't know that.
That's a hallmark sign that somebody is not in their right frame of mind, no attempt to deceive, no attempt to hide what they did, because they think that what they're doing is right, and they think that what they're doing is right because they're not in their right frame of mind. They don't understand the wrongful set of conduct. So yes, I'm agreeing with Mr.
Based upon the officer testimony, it's Officer Beebe.
Yes, Judge.
And all the facts and circumstances surrounding his testimony this morning, the comments of the state that there will be an order of remand with no bond. Please assure the safety of the defendant and any mental health treatment that can be granted. No bond, and we'll give, if the officers want to stay,